này tôi đó con lấy để bữa nay máu ấy bên nào get out the boat.
So this is it?
Tông nó mày tao rong tao tôi tầm mùi
Tao rong nè, tao tôi mùi
ok tôi nhớ nè
chân ok chân tôi
rong sần lắm xe tao tôi thấy gì
tôi ní tao được con sầm lánh rồi chứ okay. We're in the right place I think.
It looks like it's a bigger one.
Yeah.
That's what they said.
Next stop is go to Custom Line, the other one.
Are we going to both spots?
I think so. Got wrong.
Oh, my skin's already burning up. Oh my gosh. Now
No.
this is the
This is
Cambodia I remember.
down now. There's the bomb.
We're going to go try to find a boat
Mới
to do.
mới chăm mới thành đi. Không có tháo nó đá cái đó không? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Happy elephant.
happy elephant
How do you say it?
Yeah.
hotel
Also no
happy elephant
no
hotel
no không tích. Này.
okay.
Alright, riding down the hill. ទឹកហ្នឹងវាត្រជាក់ស្រួលហ្នឹងហើយ Yeah, the water is clear, you think? What?
I mean,
Surf? What's wrong? The land is smile. This is Koh Rong near Coconut Beach. I say this beach is a lot better than Krabi, Phuket. Water is a lot clearer here, and the sand is super white. Beach, Thailand beaches in a day. Really nice. Yeah, let's take one. Let's look at the tickets. Yeah.
little mangrove.
Yeah, mangrove.
Like when we went kayaking.
Ấy đôi gần Kapot. Oh no, con là Kapot fly chơi khóc nè. Anh đi đào cục cái anh hao ấy đào mà đào ấy đào chai đào con căng. This is a mangrove. The other one was a palm forest. This one's a mangrove.
Oh yeah, look at all these.
Yeah. Take a picture. Nó cần thọt nhung. You have take
Đây, cái thọt.
picture of it. Have take a picture of it.
Đây cái thon rồi. Đây là tam thon rồi.
Đây nè giấy này thọt xong thọt
Rồi. Anh ấy video
anh
mà.
video.
Để một mặt đây này.
Ở đây là lớp của vết đá đấy.
Ừ.
Muối phí bơi. Muối phí bơi.
What is this huge
Yeah.
mangrove?
Mà thọt mới. Đây.
By yourself?
Okay.
Or
You
with
first nhung on.
Muối phí bơi.
Thọt đây.
Nó ở đấy nhưng mà
Ở đây. Okay.
Được mấy tôi.
nó lọt à? Nó lọt ở đây à?
Ở đây thì về nó thọt. Mangrove. The mangrove forest. Ang lay how mangrove. Con căng. Cái line ní cái oi para free.
Cái này nó làm
Không phải bàn này. Here at the little pier next to the mangrove forest. Seems to be a dock for kayaks, small scale archer fish. Looks like maybe it's common fish. This is nice.
Crabs get bigger or are they just smaller?
Small.
Họ thật quá này.
Mấy bà chi kayak đừng sbay. Nó cái oi đi tàu một đăng. Đó cái tươi đạn. Này lọt bích luôn đi. Ồ nữa. Ồ đi. Này lọt bích. Wow. Ông chặt ránh. Hey.
It's rock here this time.
This is Long Beach right here.
Oh, is it?
Long Beach, Royale. Oh no, Royale dollar.
Yeah,
Common.
it was back that way.
I think it's supposed to take a right, huh?
Yeah. Cassie Royale is. Yeah, all that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right, this is Long Beach. Long Beach, Cambodia, not Long Beach, USA.
are they crabbing like that?
All right, see some people fishing. Let's see what they're fishing for. Say, be careful right here. Nice. It's like some fish trap or crab trap. Walking to the end of the pier, Long Beach Pier. Oh, look at this fish. Nice. You saying? Fish right here. Bunch of fish right here. Look at that. Look in the water. Look at all this fish. Wow. Look at this. Look at all this fish. Very nice. Oh, okay. You saying they're gonna Here's local fishing. Let me go see a man throw a net, catch a fish. Oh yeah. Oh, try siya. Catching fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
They don't do these ones?
I don't know. Maybe I don't know. They have to jump and get it. All this fish. I wonder if my camera can catch all of that. Tons of fish. Just get a net and catch all of them. Alright, this is the Royal Beach in Koh Rong. About to see the sunset. Nice. The sand, sticky. At Come. Where's at? Check them out. Yeah. Because rubbery, huh? Does it feel rubbery? It's very fine. This sand you cannot make cement with. It's too soft. Alright, we'll do the sunset video. It's gone.